Does your knee ache when you stand up from a chair? Does climbing even a few steps feel like a big challenge? You are not alone. Millions of seniors deal with this every single day. The good news is that gentle movement is one of the best things you can do for painful knees. Let me show you 4 easy movements you can start right now. Exercise 1 is called the seated knee extension. An elderly woman sits tall in a sturdy chair, both feet flat on the floor. She slowly lifts her right foot up, straightening her leg out in front of her. She holds it there for 3 seconds, then gently lowers it back down. A senior man doing the same movement shows how simple this really is. Do 10 slow repetitions on each leg. Breathe in as you lift, breathe out as you lower. This gentle movement strengthens the muscles that protect your knee every single day. Exercise 2 is the seated calf raise. An old man sitting in a chair near a bright window slowly lifts both heels up off the floor, rising onto his toes. He holds for 2 seconds, then lowers back down with control. This movement pumps fresh blood into the knee joint and reduces that morning stiffness so many seniors feel. Do this 10 to 15 times slowly. Only go as far as comfortable for your body. A senior woman smiling while doing calf raises reminds us this should feel good, not painful. Exercise 3 is the gentle knee to chest stretch. A senior woman sits straight in her chair and places both hands under her right knee. She gently pulls her knee up toward her chest, feeling a soft stretch through the back of her leg. She holds for 5 slow, deep breaths, then lowers her foot back to the floor. An elderly man doing the same stretch in peaceful morning sunlight shows how relaxing this feels. Repeat on the left side. Never force this movement. Let your body guide you. Exercise 4 is a warm compress habit. An old woman sitting in a cozy armchair places a warm towel gently across both knees. She closes her eyes and breathes deeply, letting the warmth soften the stiff tissue around the joint. Gentle heat before movement helps the knee loosen up naturally. A senior couple relaxing together with warm packs on their knees shows how simple self-care can be. Make this your quiet, peaceful ritual every morning before you begin your day. You have just done something truly kind for your body today. A senior woman smiling and standing up easily from her chair shows what consistent gentle care can do over time. Small steps every day add up to big changes. Keep moving, keep breathing, and keep believing in your body. If this helped you feel better, please subscribe to Daily Senior for your daily dose of vitality.